If you want an affordable, versatile vacuum cleaner, nothing fancy, but something dependably solid, look for a bagless upright vacuum that costs about $150. It will work well for most people in most homes. In this video, we will look at some of the best vacuum cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Shark Navigator Lift-Away and V352 Vacuum Cleaner. The best affordable bagless uprights work well with just about any type of vacuumable debris, including pet hair and floor type, including most carpets, wood, tiles, or anything else, and they should last at least 5 years without much maintenance. No new belts are required, and with minimal cost, the filters are washable, and these vacs don't need bags on the most common types of flooring, like low or mid-pile nylon carpeting and most bare floors. Great bagless uprights work almost as well as the strongest overall vacuums like meal canisters, among some others, often for much less than half the cost. They're easier to maintain than cheaper uprights and most canister vacuums and should last longer than all but the sturdiest high-end machines. Read more about the best upright vacuums. This reliable, effective, easy-to-use, and reasonably priced bagless upright vacuum cleaner will work well for most people in most homes. It's our pick for 6 years running. Number 2. Time Go Pure on S11 Vacuum Cleaner. For most people, great cordless vacuum cleaners are now strong enough to replace plug-in vacuums, but cordless vacs cost more, they don't last as long. And unless you spring for a really high-end model, they may not have enough runtime to clean big homes in a single pass. All that said, cordless vacuums make it so easy to clean that you may just be fine with those trade-offs. They're especially life-changing if you live in an apartment or smaller house with a cramped floor plan, because they're so thin and light and easy to steer, and there's no cord to get caught on any corners. And even in bigger homes, you may find that you get used to cleaning just a few rooms at a time. So the battery life isn't such a big deal. The best cordless models are strong enough to see the time. S11 is one of the lightest, most comfortable to use stick vacuums that also have enough cleaning power to work pretty well on most rugs. Though it's not quite the best we've tested, a unique dust sensor makes it easy for you to focus your efforts on areas that are actually dirty. Number 3. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV 360 Vacuum Cleaner. We're not comfortable recommending any specific vacuums that cost less than $150. Except when the models we just mentioned go on sale, plenty of vacuums cost less than that. And some of them actually work pretty well, at least when they're brand new. But even the good ones tend to wear out quickly and often can't be repaired at all. It will usually pay off in the long run to spend a little more today on a vacuum that will last longer. All that said, if you insist on spending less and just need something convenient to use for a couple of minutes per day, to tidy up small messes on bare floors and not to clean rugs, just go for the find on Amazon or wherever the cheapest plug-in models cost around $35. And cordless models start around $90. Don't expect anything great. This model is essentially the same as the NV352. Our top canister vacuum pick with very minor differences. It runs cheaper than the NV352, to which makes it a solid choice if you're working with a smaller budget. Number 4. Meal Complete C3 Column Vacuum Cleaner. The Complete C3 is a bag vacuum. They trap dust and dander better than bagless vacs. And the C3 is one of the tightest sealed machines out there. This model comes standard with a hyperfilter. Well, it never hurts to have a hyperfilter on a vacuum, but they're overkill for many people. Also, a vacuum can come equipped with a hyperfilter, but have mediocre overall filtration if the transfer points throughout the vacuum don't have rubber gaskets. So don't be fooled into paying extra just because a vacuum has a hyperfilter. Number 5. Miele Classic C1 Vacuum Cleaner. This quiet and long-lasting suction-only vacuum is great for bare floors and flat rugs. You can easily upgrade to a different cleaning head if you eventually buy low or medium pile rugs for a mix of bare floors and rugs. The surest bet is to get a vacuum that lets you turn the brush roll on or off. An aggressive brush can scatter certain kinds of debris on bare floors, or even scratch certain types of flooring. So it's helpful to be able to switch it off. Most plug-in vacuums, including the upright and canister models we recommend, have this option, though it's less common among cordless vacuums.